Imagine this. You charge your phone on Monday morning. You scroll through social media, watch videos, reply to messages, maybe even play a few games. Tuesday passes, then Wednesday arrives. And somehow, you still haven't needed a charger. Sounds impossible, right? But a tiny change happening inside future smartphone chips could make that a reality. And the crazy part? Most people have never even heard of it. Let's be honest. Our phones work harder than ever before. We spend hours scrolling social media, watching videos, playing games, taking photos, and running dozens of apps every single day. As a result, charging your phone every night has become completely normal. But what if the problem isn't the battery? What if it's the technology using the battery? Inside every smartphone is a chip. Think of it as the brain of the phone. It controls everything, from opening apps to taking photos to playing games. The next generation of smartphone chips is being built using something called 2 nanometer technology. Now, don't worry about the technical name. What matters is this. The smaller the chip technology becomes, the more efficiently it can do its job. And that's where things get interesting. Current chips waste some energy as heat. That's why phones get warm during gaming, recording videos, or heavy multitasking. Future 2 nanometer chips are designed to reduce that waste. Less wasted energy means less heat. Less heat means less power consumption. And less power consumption means your battery lasts longer. It's a simple idea, but it could have a huge impact. So what does this actually mean for you? Longer gaming sessions, more video streaming, phones that stay cooler, and better battery life throughout the day. You may never notice the chip itself, but you'll definitely notice the experience. Now let's be realistic. A 2 nanometer chip alone won't magically double battery life overnight. But when combined with larger batteries and smarter software, things start to get exciting. Each generation of smartphones becomes more efficient. And together, those improvements could push future phones closer to true multi-day battery life. Something that feels almost impossible today. Every year, smartphone companies talk about bigger cameras, brighter screens, and new AI features. But the biggest improvement may be happening somewhere you can't even see, inside the chip, because better efficiency leads to better battery life. Better battery life leads to a better experience. And that's something every smartphone user can appreciate. So the next smartphone revolution might not be a flashy new camera or a foldable display. It might be something incredibly small, a tiny advancement measured in nanometers. Yet its impact could be massive. Faster phones, cooler phones, and maybe one day, phones that comfortably last 2 full days on a single charge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of the technology shaping our future.